Hey guys, Rad Performance here. We were working on this hood. We showed you in the other videos. We'll have the link at the end. We're using Eastwood single stage urethane for brush on. So like they have all their brush on products for a sealer, and then the filler primer, and then the actual paint. I took it upon myself to brush it on instead of using an aerosol or a spray gun. So check out those videos because it came out pretty good. So this is the same hood. This is for the Camaro for the Z28. This final step, what we did was we actually did spray it with an air compressor, and you'll see it in the video. Just a regular, cheapo spray gun, nothing special. I think it was less than $100. And it was a VLP style gun. So we sprayed the hood. To be all honest, it's it looks good. It's smoother. We're gonna still wet sand it and buff it. But if I was comparing it to the way we brushed it on with a good brush, I'd have to say I'd rather brush it on than spray it and deal with. You see, we did a makeshift spray booth and all the PPE equipment that you need for it. So we're gonna take you through the process. I just want to show you this. You could see it. It does have gloss to it. It's pretty laid down, pretty smooth. This is all amateur stuff. No professional booth outside, a backyard. Dirt and bugs flying everywhere. Still looks pretty good. We'll let you see it as we cut and buff it, and then we're gonna move on to the rest of the car. So this was our test about doing the Eastwood roll-on products, the sealer, filler primer, and then paint. And then we're gonna do the rest of the car that way. So please like and subscribe, and put some comments in of what you wanted, if you want to see anything. And that's where this came from, was just comments people throwing in. We just tried different avenues to get paint down in your backyard. As you see, this is just the backyard. So it just, it looks pretty good though. So we can't wait to do the rest of the car. Take care, guys.
Hey guys, Rad Performance here. He is just finishing putting on the reducer. We use our single stage Boulevard Black, Eastwood. We mix it with the 3-to-1 activator. Then he just put up 10% reducer. He's gonna mix it. The reason for the reducer is to help it flow better and also slow down the drying time. Where we are right now, it is very hot, it is very humid, but we're just gonna paint it anyway because we don't really have much of an option. So we're mixing up 2 of these. That should fill up about half of this Automotive Touch-Up HVLP spray gun. We have a 1.4 tip in it. We're gonna be spraying at about 30 to 32 PSI. So we're gonna show you guys when we lay it down on the hood next.
There's way too much orange here. Actually, I gotta go faster because this is the pack force.
Yeah.
This is pack, yeah. There's no...
Yeah. You might want to hit that guy in the middle. And you see if you hit him there. Yeah. Perfect. Okay, not bad, not bad. I'm with you, I'm with you.
There you go.
Don't worry, I'm with you.
Yeah, there you go. It gives me balance.
Just like that, yeah, make sure to get that good overlap.
And I'm just doing light. I was too heavy over there.
Mm-hmm. It looks good though.
You have to do it.
Yeah, try to keep that same distance.
I'll tell you why now.
Easy, easy.
I have no fucking room. No fucking room. I'm gonna walk out. I have no fucking room, man.
Oh, the only thing is the crevice, yeah.
And my surface stuck up.
You're good, you didn't hit into it, just watch out. It's not looking bad, it's looking pretty good. It's just the first coat, don't overthink it.
Yeah. Go and do the timer if I may.
Okay guys, so we just laid down coat number 3. We get 2 passes out of this when we mix it with the little mixing cup that we showed you. So this is 3 coats. It's looking pretty good. We are quite happy. You see a little bit of dry spot. We realize that is because whenever you lift off, it's supposed to be about 6 inches, but once you pass that 6 inches and get a little too far away from the hood, it kind of just dissipates the particles out of the gun and it doesn't lay down on the hood. So you want to make sure that you stay consistent and you stay close. 6 inches about seems to be, or less, is a sweet spot. And obviously we have been overlapping 50-50, so that way it's not just one pass, one of like the diamond shapes. You want to make sure you overlap each pass. So we're going to lay down the 4th, and then we will contemplate if we're going to end up going for a 5th. Nice.
I think it's where it is.
Yeah, it gets hard.
It's just
It gets hard, yeah.
It's not comfortable, you know? It's okay. We're trying to get it better. Fuck you. There's no fucking air in there.
Yeah. Still looks good.
You motherfucker. The hose is too fucking long. This thing.
Yeah. Okay, guys. So we ended up doing 6 coats. That may sound like a lot, but it's going to help us in wet sanding to help us prevent burning through. So I'm going to show you guys next, whenever this thing is done drying,